Here's something about childbirth that not enough people are talking about. That first postpartum poop is scary, but don't stress. There are a few easy steps that you can take to make it easier. I'm a doula and BabyCenter medical advisor, and here's some things I tell my clients to get things moving, if you know what I mean. First, hydrate. Getting enough to drink is going to be your first defense against constipation. Next, fill up on fruits and veggies, which are loaded with fiber. Also, regular movement, as long as it's cleared by your doctor, can help keep your bowels moving too. Even just a 5 or 10 minute walk around the block can help too. Whatever you do, don't strain. You could pop a stitch or even develop hemorrhoids. If you feel like it's not time to go, just try again later. If all else fails to clear your pipes, just ask your provider about using a stool softener. There are lots of over-the-counter options that are easy to get at your local pharmacy or a grocery store.